Hi everyone. So today we are learning how to find the greatest common factor with the help of Venn diagrams. So we've learned different methods of finding the common factors, the greatest common factor. So today we are looking at four different sets of groups where we have to find both the common factors and the greatest common factor. But to help us out, we've been given a Venn diagram. Okay, so Venn diagram is basically we get certain sets of values in a circle corresponding to one thing. So like we have factors of 60 in this circle and the factors of 40 in this circle and the factors of 24 in this circle. Okay, so the Venn diagram is basically interlinked circles where we have some common portion representing the common values among the three different categories. Okay, so the categories are the factors of different numbers here. Okay, so we know the common factor is by its name, which are common to both. So we have been given factors. Now we have to find out which are the common area or the intersecting area, and those factors are common to both the numbers that will come under the common factors. Okay. So see, let's try to make the Venn diagram again. I'm just doing a smaller Venn diagram. So here we have factors of 60, here we have factors of 40, and here we have factors of 24. I'm just not shading anything in this area so that we don't end up losing the factor values. Okay. So the first question is 24 and 40. We have to find the common factors of 24 and 40. So for 24 and 40, it's very important to try to find the common areas correctly. So 24 is this circle, okay, and 40 is this circle. So which are the common areas in both the circles? This and this, right? So this circle and this circle, this part is the intersecting area. So whatever the factors are there in these areas are the common factors to both 24 and 40. Now this is the center area. So we can say 1, 2 and 4. And what else? The area next to it. That is 8. And now out of this, which is the greatest common factor? That will be 8. Now looking at the next one, between 40 and 60. Let me use a different color. Okay. So between 40 and 60, this is the circle of 40 and this is the circle of 60. Okay. So which is the common area? The red one. So we can see this center portion is common to all the three circles. So whenever we are trying to find something common for the two numbers, this will come in all of them. So it is to 60 and 40, these are the two values. Okay. So here we have the common factors for 40 and 60. So what are they? First of all, this one 1, 2, 4, and then this 5, 10, 20. So just if we find the correct area, it's pretty simple to find the factors. And out of these, the greatest will be 20. Okay. Now the next is the common factors for 24 and 60. So 24 and 60. Which are the common areas? It will be this. Okay, again, the one common to all the three is coming and this area. So these two basically. Okay, so what are the factors in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And the greatest one is 12. Now we have to find the common factors for all the three. Okay. So for all the three, this circle, this circle and this circle. Only this portion is the common one. Okay, for all the three. So this is only for these two, this is only for these two, and this is only for these two. But for all the three, only the center portion. So it will be 1, 2, and 4. And out of that, the greatest will be 4. So I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, write down in the comments below. So questions can be any type, like if we have been given the Venn diagram, we have to find the values, or we might not be given the Venn diagram, we have to create a Venn diagram and then find the value. So we'll practice some of these questions in the next video. Thanks for watching.